In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in ClickFunnels. If you're new to ClickFunnels or need a refresher, you're in the right place. By the end of this guide, you'll have a fully functional landing page ready to go, tailored to your specific needs. To get started, we need to enable the Landing Pages app within ClickFunnels. Begin by navigating to your ClickFunnels workspace. You'll notice a sidebar on your screen. Direct your attention there. There's an option labeled Plus Add an App. Go ahead and click that. Now, you're looking for the Landing Pages app. Once you've located it, click Add App. This action activates the app, allowing us to move forward with creating your landing page. With the Landing Pages app enabled, our next step is to start building your new landing page. Go back to the sidebar and open the Landing Pages app. You'll see a dashboard laid out in front of you, and there should be a button labeled New Landing Page. Click this button to initiate the creation of a brand new landing page. Now comes one of the fun parts, choosing a template. ClickFunnels provides a comprehensive library of templates to streamline the design process. Templates' purposes can vary widely, depending on what you want from your landing page, whether it's gathering opt-ins, offering a thank you page, or simply providing information. Take your time to browse through these options, consider your goals, and choose the template that best fits what you want to achieve. As you explore your options, remember that each template is customizable. So, if you find one that meets your needs in terms of structure, but not in design, don't worry. You'll have the flexibility to tweak it, making it truly your own. Whether you want a clean and straightforward design or something a bit more elaborate, there's a starting point here for you. Let these foundational steps be your guide as you move through the creation process. And there you have it. We've enabled the necessary features, started the framework of your landing page, and selected a template that aligns with your objectives. Remember, the key is to focus on your target audience and the message you intend to convey. From here, you can dive deeper into customization and content creation, ensuring your landing page is both aesthetically pleasing and effective in achieving its purpose. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Feel free to revisit these steps as often as needed while you work on your project. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more guides on optimizing your ClickFunnels experience.